Having trouble with iTools virtual location? In this video, we'll cover 8 quick fixes and introduce a better alternative for reliable location simulation. Part 1. iTools virtual location not working? 8 cases and solutions. Case 1. Not downloading. iTools virtual location not loading? Check your internet, update the software, or restart the app to fix glitches. Case 2. Stuck in developer mode. iTools stuck in developer mode? Update iOS or iTools to fix it. Case 3. Not showing up. Connection or compatibility issues, like outdated software or faulty cables, can prevent device detection. Update iTools, restart your PC, reconnect the device, and ensure the computer recognizes the phone. Case 4. Fails to work. If iTools virtual location stops working, it's likely a glitch or compatibility issue. Restart iTools, reboot the device, or reinstall the program to fix it. Case 5. Map crashes. Map crashes, switch map sources, or refresh your connection. Restart iTools if the issue persists. Case 6. Image failed to load. Image failed to load. Check your internet, switch networks, or disable firewall or antivirus. Update or restart iTools. Case 7. Compatibility issues with iTunes. iTunes compatibility. Update or reinstall iTools and iTunes. Then restart your PC to resolve conflicts. Case 8. Location refuse to move. Location won't move. Check permissions, ensure a stable connection. Then restart iTools or update to fix glitches. Part 2. iTools virtual location still doesn't work? Try the best replacement. Are there alternatives if iTools virtual location keeps failing? Yes. If the issue persists, you can try other location-changing tools, such as Virtual Location Tool. How can you utilize the best iTools virtual location alternative? First, download and install the virtual location software on your computer. Open the program and click Get Started on the main interface. Connect your iPhone or Android phone to the computer using a USB cable and wait for the program to recognize the device. Next, select Teleport Mode in the upper right corner of the screen. Move the cursor to the desired location on the map and click Move to change your GPS location immediately.